Lovely people, how are you? I'm doing great. I have a new subscription on this channel. It is called the Beauteque Beauty Box. So this is a K-Beauty subscription, and there's two subscriptions you can get. You can get the Beauty Box, which you are guaranteed to get 6 full-size items. This is $24 a month if you get it monthly, or if you get it like 3 months, it's cheaper. 6 months, it goes cheaper. Or you can get the Mask Maven, where you just get like sheet mask, and I believe that is $15 a month. I'll leave everything down below if you want to check it out. So I'm really into skincare. I am in my 40s, and in subscription boxes, I don't mind getting skincare, makeup, hair care. So I notice as I'm older, I'm getting more into skincare. So I've seen a few of these unboxings, and it was highly recommended from you guys. So I figured, why not subscribe and see what this is all about. This is the first month of me getting it, so we will see what this is together. And I really do like K-Beauty products. But before I forget, I do have a giveaway going on right now. I had an Ipsy giveaway going. That is over. In a few days, I will announce the winner to that. But the shampoo and conditioner giveaway is still going on. It is over Thursday. They extended it for another week. So I'll leave that video down below too. It's in the Beautylish video that says giveaway. All right, so let's see what this is all about. If I can open this up. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. If I didn't tell you, this is February 2019. All right, so it says, oh, this is a January box. Why did they give me the January box? Okay, so that's weird. All right, so this is a January box. Okay. Let's see. Well, the codes, there's codes on here, but they won't work because they are not dated. And I did look up, if you want to get February's back, you have until the 15th of every month to subscribe to get that month's box. But I can't believe they gave me the February box. All right, so here is the pamphlet that tells you what everything is right there. And does it tell you what is in, how much? Yeah, it tells you what everything is. So let's just begin. The first thing that I see is in this little bag. So let's open her up. All right, so this says, thanks for subscribing. We hope you love your free gift and everything inside your box. All right, so this is a free gift for subscribing. And this is the nose pore charcoal strips, and you get 5 of them in there. So there we go, and that's what the back looks like. All right, let's see if it says anything. No, it doesn't have anything in there about it since it's free. All right. So then it looks like this. So it has a little sticker. So let's open up the sticker. I have no idea what's in here. I mean, I just looked on there. All right. So the first thing that I'm seeing, it looks like an eyeshadow. It says, look at my eyes. Right there, which is a really pretty color. And this is by Etude House, if I'm saying that right. This is $9. It says color may vary. So what color did I get? I can't even read it. I have no idea, but it's this pretty mauve color. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't tend to go for single eyeshadows. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. All right, the next thing, ooh, so this is a peel-off mask right there. Oh. So this is Shine Go Yippin' Skin. This is retails for $13.99. It says, watch the mask transform on your skin as it changes colors right before your eyes. Talk about dramatic mask. Oh, so it's a chameleon peel-off. So that's pretty cool. I've never had nothing like that. That is so cool. It says how to use. Evenly apply the mask and wait about 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dried before peeling. Rinse off with warm water after removing. So that is so cool. All right, so I'm definitely excited. So far, I really like this box. All right, so this is what you be. Looks like an eyeliner right there. So, oh, an eyebrow pencil. And this would be $7.99. And let's see. I don't know if it's my shade. It looks like it because here is a dark color. Let's see if I can open this up. And I'll do a swatch and see what color it is. I hope it's my shade. Because I have very dark, almost black eyebrows. So it's so hard to... That looks like a... I don't know. Let's see. All right, I think this will work. This is like a dark brown. You got to really push hard on it, but it might work. So I'm excited to try that. It's a little hard, but maybe as you know, you use it, it'll soften up. All right. Then we have, this is a professional mineral water glow by Beautyque. It looks like it was open. Okay, this is, oh, a highlighter, and this retail values for $19. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see, let's open her up. So this is like all different colors. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Focus. Focus. What in the world? Okay, let's see. It's like all different colors. It has like pink, blue. So there we go. Let's see. Let's read up on it. Let's see what it says. It says how to use, sweep over desired areas for a beautiful glow that will make you look like a queen. This is definitely not, this is very subtle, and it's like a pinkish, bluish color. It's more like, I guess, a pinkish color. This is if you want to be, it's very subtle. And I don't always like to be blinding all the time, but this, I'd have to play around with that. All right, so I'm not knocking that. That is $19. But you know, as for K-Beauty, they don't have anything that's really blinding. It's more like natural looking. All right, couple more things. Ooh, what do we have here? This looks like one of them sponges, them silicone sponges. So this is a silicone beauty blender. This is $4.99. Now I have tried these before, and you know what these are good for? These are good for when you do mask, like stuff like this. You put it on there and you can like make it even, because I don't like these for foundation, to be honest. But I do enjoy these for mask. So I'm kind of excited to get this. I'm not knocking this either. So I like that. And last but not least is this blackhead and black mask home spa kit right there. And this retails for $3. So it says how to use. Wet your face with warm water and apply the nose and chin mask while the areas are still wet. Remove them after 15 to 20 minutes or completely harden. Rub the black stick over your nose and chin to remove even more dirt and gunk. Lastly, apply the pore tightening serum to lock out any dirt. So it's a 3-step, so that's exciting. So I definitely will try that. I don't really have blackheads, but I definitely will try it to see how it is. So let's recap what we got. So we got this little 3-step. So that's good. I really like this chameleon sheet mask. I like that. We got an eyeshadow that I think is absolutely pretty. It's right up my alley, but I'll put it in a giveaway since I don't tend to go through single eyeshadows. I kind of go to palettes. Then we have an eyebrow pencil that I'm surprised will look like it might be my shade. I don't know. We shall see. Then we have the silicone beauty blender that I will definitely use it for like masks and everything. We got this highlighter. I'll have to look up more about it. I kind of wish I didn't swatch it, but I'll try different things with it. Maybe I can put it like on my eyebrows. And then for signing up, I did get this free gift, which is this charcoal strip. So So that's everything. Let me know in the comments down below, do you think this is worth $24 a month? Now remember, like I said, if you go 3 months, 6 months, it does get cheaper as it goes, but I'll leave everything down below. I like it so far. I'm kind of disappointed that I got the January box in February. But that's okay because I'm glad I did get something to see if I like it, if I want to continue getting it. I am going to continue getting it. Anytime I start a new subscription, I always go for 3 months. So I like it so far. I love K-Beauty products, so we shall see. And if you still are on here, if you want to know what is on my eyes, I kind of thought, you know what? I haven't used this in a while. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. This is the original one. If you can see how dirty it is, it's the one that when they first came out that didn't have like any of the names on here. So I just kind of like, you know, taped it there. But this is what I have on my eyes, and I love this palette. Because I get so many palettes to try out, I kind of forget about the old ones, and this is probably one of my go-to palettes that I've used the most last year. I really like it, and I'm glad that I tried it again. So like I said, I got this eye look. But yeah, so that's everything. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, because I have my 2-year anniversary on YouTube giveaway coming up. I'm going to have at least 2 winners. And leave a comment, let me know what you think of this box. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.